Yo, what's good? Today I'm listening to Blackland Radio 666 Part 2 by spaceghostpurrp.
Black and who got the most colors on and who got the baddest dashiki on, we still gonna get, excuse my language, fucked.
To Rodney King.
Hold up, baby, let me show you what they did to Tupac.
Get ready for some real
all that
atmospheric
movie,
shit.
nothing to OPD. I was still an NIWGA.
What the fuck this guy got going on?
All this is scars I go to my grave with.
I can't see
These are
it.
learn to be a nigga scars.
You're suing them.
10 mil.
See
What else can I do? You know,
Yeah.
see what happens. You know how that goes.
Wait, I'm looking confused. Why did
You know how that goes.
Smash just kick him for a second and then it just led to nothing? Interesting. Alright. Purrp the King of Kings.
What up? What they do? Hey, slide this bitch. What's up? You believe in, I believe in me. Yeah.
It's an insane Purrp era.
Yeah, I love me. I love me. I love me. Yeah. When you believe in, you better believe in me. What up?
This shit sounded cool right there. Keep honest.
Hey, slide this bitch. What's up? You believe in, I believe in me. Yeah, I believe in me. Yeah, I love me. I love me. I love me. I love me. Yeah. When you believe in, you better believe in me. Got a pussy queef, yeah, I made it bleed. Yeah. Hit a pussy front and back. I'm just what she need. Yeah. Dark side king.
Be hard.
I'm the underground king. Underground king. RP to MC. Know me. Everybody know me. Come show me how much you down for me.
This felt cold too.
OG. Come through with the motherfucking beam. Blow your brains all on the street. And I'll come through with the heat.
Yo, why'd he stop just that, bro? He was sliding like crazy.
Hey, slide this bitch.
Shit, he was about to go crazy.
You believe in, I believe in me. Yeah.
He just started the song back 3 times.
I love me.
Okay.
I love me. I love me. Yeah. When you believe in, you better believe in me. Got a pussy queef, yeah, I made it bleed. Yeah. Hit a pussy front and back.
I'm seeing 3 times is crazy, though.
I'm the underground king. Underground king. RP to MC. Know me. Everybody know me. Come know me. Everybody know me. Come know me. Know me. Know me. Know me. Know.
Oh, and he in the air with the shit? Alright.
Everybody know me. Come show me how much you down for me. I'm my OG. Come through with the motherfucking beam. Blow your brains all on the street. And I'll come through with the heat. I will melt you. Yeah. Pussy nigga, I will peel you.
I'm gonna keep honest, this shit 1 for 1 so far. I'm only halfway through this shit. This shit 1 for 1 though so far. I fuck with this song.
Now, check it out. Whole lot of motherfucking black dimes on me. Whole lot of fucking black dimes on me, homie. And my teeth sliding down your streets. I'll come through.
What are those effects, bro?
Yeah, I see the odds, man. You know I blow his brains out. You already know this. I don't gotta talk about it. Yeah. South Beach.
It does.
You can catch me on South Beach. Badass bitches, they all around me. All us getting money, and that's what we need. I don't glowed up, man. I'm straight. RP Capo, shout out Keith. Real niggas put on for they street. Yeah.
This is 2016, I think. Yeah, I peeped that.
Catch me on the east side on Ocean.
But I peeped that. I was checking it out a second ago. Just before I started. But yeah.
Yeah, this shit right here is so funny. Yeah, just the other day I was on my dick, not getting no cash.
He freestyled this shit too, right? I mean, it seems like he did. It sounds like he did.
The swag is on point. I run the whole city and I stay my old bitch miss me. Come through, you little old bitch. If you miss this dick, baby, just let me know. Hit you a lot of times, baby girl, you my hoe. If you love me, then get my name tattooed. Already know, man, I'm a bitch magnet. On South Beach, counting money. All these bitches round me, and you know we counting hundreds. I'm the king of Blackland, and my name money. I'm the king of Blackland, and my middle name money. Yeah, ain't a damn thing funny. Or you broke as fuck. Why you think I'm getting all this money?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Yeah, we getting all this money. Yeah, and you can't take it away from me.
I'm gonna keep it honest, social man. You were tripping saying that the Lil Ugly Mane album was better than this. I low-key got this shit over that within the first song, though. Maybe I'm just, I don't know. Maybe my ears not tuned right, but shit, this shit cold to me. Oh, this shit was hard. Be cold, flown crazy. He's got a good voice. I'll put this. I vote both though. Alright, let me peep this. Trill. Shit, it sounds like he's on a game.
I don't know, you know what I'm saying? I just know that, you know, a lot of bitches on the fuck with me. I just want it. Yo, ain't shit changed but the fucking jury. You already know, I know y'all nigga heard of me. Real nigga shit, you ain't gotta worry, G. Getting money every day, yeah, you heard of me. Finessing ways to get my money up quickly. Real nigga shit, baby girl, she love me. Hit the bitch with the dick, yeah, she love me. Whispering in my ear, she wanna fuck me. She bouncing on my fucking dick like a pogo. Already know, yeah, that's my hoe, bro. The shawty light skin, playing hard to get. The deep down inside, little shawty really want this dick. Now when I get you, baby girl, I'ma hit you, y'all. Hit you from the back, I won't forget you. You won't forget me, hit me up on my telephone line. When I leave the crib, I'll be back round 9. Yeah, I know you fiending for it and you're thinking about it. Yeah, you need a nigga like me, that's why you thinking about it. Got ice on me, got rings on me, feeling like I'm Kobe. Already know these niggas behave cause they don't know me.
This shit cool.
They don't know me, yo. Man, I stay keeping it real, man, I stay keeping it real. Hey, man, I stay keeping it trill, man, I stay keeping it trill. Hey, word.
I don't know anything else to sound like this. Yeah, I'm gonna keep honest. This shit 101. SGP exclusive.
Word. Man, I stay keeping it trill. Man, I stay keeping it trill. Word.
This beat hard too. Holy shit. He crazy at production.
Word. Ice that bitch up. Yeah. Buy that little bitch a grill. Let's get you fucking with them. Let's get you fucking with them. Let's get you. Fucking with the real, fucking with the truth. I'm just letting you know what the fuck I do. Pull up in the coupe, pull up in the Phantom, pull up in the Maserati, got me feel like Danny Phantom. Yeah, I'm dancing, money dancing.
This is D53. I mean, no.
Yeah, I'm icy.
First one was the intro too.
Fucking beat. I come through with the fucking 99 retro street. Nigga, what it do? Nigga, what they do? You don't want no beef. No, nigga, you get hit. Hit the pussy from the back, and I make a bitch quit with this dick. Baby girl, you fucking shit. And you my bitch. You a badass little yellow ass bitch. And you thick. It's good.
Hey, I fuck with this one too.
Man, let's stay keeping it real. Man, let's stay keeping it real.
And I fuck with the use of the modulation too. The effect. That shit cold.
Man, let's stay keeping it real. Man, let's stay keeping it real.
This one my favorite. Shit, we about to peep.
Fall with me, man. The realest
This,
nigga doing this shit. Nigga, you know what it is, man. Fall with me. So we riding the motherfucking whip, man. You know, swimming lane in this bitch.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying? She see the jewelry on me, man.
Wait, never mind, it's the one after that.
She want me, she chose me, she playing hard to get. Saying.
Chacol though, Chacol. He keeps it trill.
That's all.
2 for 2, 2 for 2.
Said, let me count all these blue hunters out there right quick. Y'all niggas know what time it is, man. You know, we pulled up.
Someone that revenge too.
Hey, Ferraris, locked out, Al-Qaeda, Taliban, yeah, God season, yeah. Shout out to my nigga though, he just
wait, why did they say fuck Roman Miles?
Yeah, we got cloud.
Maybe I gotta wait till we get out.
Crazy, they're my partners, hey. Getting money, yeah, I'm so proper. I feel like a cracker, the way my swag be on point. Perpy nigga, come through.
That's good boss. That's funny.
Like Bob Marley, stay low, rolling hella loud, fuck rolling loud.
Makes sense.
Rolling loud with the fucking pistol. Dark side, Grim Reaper with the pistol. No talking, just pulling up. Wet you shoot your tour bus up, nigga. I won't.
This one cool. I don't fuck with it as much as the first two though.
Kill that nigga and their partner. You already know. Shout out to Obalaka. Shout out to the city and the sun. Zone 4 to Zone 3. What is up? Zone 1, west side of Atlanta. You already know delivers is like Santa. Hey,
I finished my walk.
Coming up. Hey,
Bestie.
I don't give a fuck. Count it, count it, count it, count it, count it. Count it, count it, count it, count it, count it. Hey, hey, hey. She poppin' pussy for me. Hey, and you know I just count it, count it, count it, count it. Hey, count it, count it, count it, count it. Hey, big money, got big money, hella money, yeah, you know I love to count it, big bitch, that's big dog, yeah, you know I'm a fucking big dog. Swag is ahead of the time, ahead of the fucking time. Blackland too, yeah, you know it's my fucking time to shit on y'all, shit on my haters, I ball. Bitch, I'm doing me, I stay doing me. All these bitches love me, yeah, they want me. Suck my dick, bitch, she hella dick. Pull up in a mansion, in the form.
Damn, we kept the same flow for
a real nigga,
a
man.
while now.
I'm a trail nigga. RP the Pimp C, that's a real nigga. Took over the game 6 years. You already know rip, till, ayy. I'm a real nigga, yeah, I'm a real nigga, ayy. I don't give a fuck, getting money, I count it, count it, count it, count it, throw it back, count it, yeah, I'm the man. Disrespect me, I had you on the news, yeah, I knock you out the shoe, ayy. Got the K and we strapped like the Taliban, ayy.
This shit 2 for 3 so far for me. I don't like it as much as the first two, if I'm being honest. But yeah, I mean, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It was just cool. It was just not as good as the others. Okay, this is Oshaman's favorite. 5 minutes long. He loved playing that game in the back though. It's been the same game.
The devil took my soul, so the devil took my soul, so I'm still tryna kill shit. In 16 in my hand, yeah, I'm on that real shit. I ain't from Chicago, but I'm still tryna drill shit. If you disrespect me,
be cold.
you know I'm bound to kill shit. In 16 in the backseat, and I go get it. You already know how this shit go. Yeah, I'm hitting lit, robbery, killing everybody on my motherfucking street.
This just sound evil.
On a killing spree. I feel like Dylan Roof. This is not a spoof. When I get that pistol, man, I'ma be the truth. The Tech 9, up that shit, you're dead now. Everybody is going to fucking die now.
I'm fucking with this SGP.
The devil took my soul, so the devil took my soul, so I'm still trying to kill shit. In 16,
Like
in my
Dylan.
hand, yeah, I'm on that real shit.
Ooh, bad boss, bad boss, bad boss. No, I know who Dylan Roof is. Bad boss.
I ain't from Chicago, but I'm still trying to drill shit. If you disrespect me, then you know I'm bound to kill shit.
This song's still cold though. I'll keep honest.
In the backseat, and I go get it. It's 16 in the backseat, and I go get it. It's 16 in the backseat, and I go get it. It's 16 in the backseat, and I go get it. It's 16 in the back. It's 16 in the back. It's 16. It's 16. It's 16 in the backseat, and I go get it. You already know how this
Nah,
shit
this
goes.
does hard, to be honest.
Killing everybody on my motherfucking street. I am on the killing
Shit,
spree.
I was right about the song being evil though.
This is not a spoof. When I get that pistol, man, I'ma be the truth. The take 9 of that shit.
Hey, I agree with you, Trey, bro. Yo,
It's going to fucking die
the little
now.
boss,
On the block.
little boss.
Come through with
Bad
the
boss, bad
black.
boss,
Kill
bad
your
boss.
niggas, kill your partner's pussy, you get pocket out the bitch. Put the knife in her fucking mouth, slice the bitch. This is how it go when it's out.
This shit cool though.
Yeah, you know what I'm all about. That motherfucking murder shit.
I don't even think this was too long after it happened.
Kill
Yo,
you
he
in
fucked it up.
peace, yeah. I don't give a fuck, no. Yeah, coke. Shit. You ready? Let's go.
Waiting, bro.
Strap up. Yeah, let's go. Ski mask on my face, so I'm feeling like a Mortal Kombat motherfucker named Scorpion. Sub-Zero Hawk.
I'm just hearing the SFX now.
Sub-Zero. You already know. Shout out to Nathan Nero. In the fucking hood, I'm a fucking hero. I'm stood, but I still leave you at zero. Leave you underground like ground zero. Knock your ass down like them bitches in ground zero. Twin, blow your head off like Twin Tower. You already know I got a lot of bitches like Austin Powers. If you wanna get rich with me, then let's do business. If you ain't tryna do business, what's the witness? What's your fucking motives? What's your fucking reason? Why you talking to me? Cause nigga, it's killing season. If
Keep people for this shit cold.
Nigga, I will leave you bleeding. I don't give
Interesting
a fuck,
lyrics,
I
but this shit
knock you
cold.
out and leave you teethless. Kill 'em.
Meow. That shit funny. Alright. He was flowing on this shit too. He was gliding on this beat, bro. What I'm doing for the Twin Towers in one song. Yeah, I'm sorry, bro. I just want to. Yo, what SFX is that shit from? Or where is that SFX from? Yeah, that's just getting engraved into my brain. Chill. Better days. This shit sound funny. Sound interesting. Oh, someone else produced this.
Come through with the phone film, let a nigga on the shit, and I don't give a fuck about a bitch. If you disrespect me, I'ma come in this bitch, I'ma make you.
Oh, this might be my favorite song. It depends how he comes in.
in this bitch, and you know that I am the shit, and you know I speak, yeah, I feel that. And you know I stay coolin', and you know just what I'm doing, and you know I come
pretty cold
stupid,
though.
you know I love
I think I expected some like more of the bass though. I don't know.
and I come through and I kill you, bitch. Now you know I'm never hiding, you know I stay sliding, you know I got money in this bitch. Now you know we stay riding, you know it's homiciding, you know it's killing nigga in this bitch. All these bad bitches, all these bad bitches, I fuck bad bitches every week, Getting to the riches, getting to the riches, shitting on these bitches every week, Getting to the money every week, Man, I get money, then I
There's some evil about this whole tape.
Man, I get fresher every week, Man, I live it up every week, Man, these niggas ain't living, these niggas ain't living, these niggas ain't living, man, they weak. I'm out here traveling, I'm going to Cali, I'm going to Cali like Big E. I'm out here thugging, I'm out here thugging, I'm feeling like 2 PAC.
This shit hard when you're angry. I can imagine.
Mugging, you know, selling drugs, me. Yo, bitch, watching, yo, bitch, watching, yo, bitch, stay watching me.
Stay watching him.
I'm so cocky, this why she fell in love with me. And my rings, ruby red eagle on my feet. Hey, got more bitches than Jerry Springer.
What do you say?
She look like Sabrina, she look like Selena. Britney Spears, light skin, blonde hair like Britney Spears.
Really, Britney Spears. Let me just skim through this.
Now you know I'm never hiding, you know I say.
I'm looking up plays about the flow. Beats cold though.
Out here thugging, bitch, stay watching me.
Enough for the modulation. I'm gonna give it a half. I'd say 3.5 or 5. Yeah. Okay. Next song. Big Time at 2K16.
Hey, you know I'm in the building. I feel like Helter Skelter. Come through and I chop you up, chop your main bitch up. The pussy now don't give a fuck. You know I stay dripping on you bitches, man. You know it's Blackland part 2, man. You know I run the scene. I'm dripping on these bitches and these bitches on my Disney. All these bad bitches fucking with me, man. I'm in this bitch. Young ass nigga and I'm slugging with the gold slugs. You already know, pussy nigga, I don't show love to you bitch niggas, to you fake bitches. Cut that bitch off if she acting hella fishy. Pussy smell good, man, that shit do not smell fishy. If this shit seem fishy, then I'm shooting up this shit. You already know where I am on the scene, and I took over the scene with these brand new jeans. Shining and I'm shining like a motherfucking diamond, and reminding these pussy niggas why I'm always.
This shit 4.5 6. This shit cold.
When I come through with that chopper, yes, I make you clear it. Scene on the scene, man, yes, and shit go bling, go mouth,
bling.
go mouth, yeah, my mouth go bling. Lil Wayne, Hot Boy, 1990-98. You already know, man, you will be that way. Leave him on the plate, chop his head off, I'm a cannibal. Eat your body alive, man, I'm feeling like a cannibal. Ay. I feel like Helter Skelter. Come through with that job, but it's he here with Melcher. All these bitches on me, yeah, they love me. All these hoes on me, they wanna fuck me. That chopper on dead got me feeling like.
Yo, there's like some Sunday ambience in the back of this.
Bitch, I'm getting paid, my ass bad like Gabrielle Union. I'm at Western Union, cashing out, man, I'm leaving that shit with a loud cloud. What you talking about, man, I got
Let me see if I can, let me see if this shit's on Spotify.
This and I guess they losing cloud. Man, my cloud climbing like it's on a mountain. Yes, I'm higher than the mountain when I'm on this purple. Call me purple haze, I stay serving that purple. I got the plug.
I don't think it's on
from the Bay, Sacramento. I got the plug.
He just makes sure.
Sacramento. From the got the plug. He straight from the got the plug. He straight from the got the plug. Got the plug. Got the plug. Got the plug. He straight from the Bay, Sacramento. I am not friendly. You already know I got the extendo. I blow your head off. Leave blood all over the window. Feeling like helter skelter. Already know smoking on endo. Shout out to Endo. Bad little red bitch.
He's going crazy.
You already know this. Already know I keep me a bad bitch. Bad yellow bad bitch.
Nah, that's just not on
she in my bed bitch. Giving me head bitch. Yeah, I stay fucking with a red bitch.
This is my favorite song of this shit so far, though. He went crazy on this.
I feel like helter skelter, ay, and the chopper here will melt ya, ay. I feel like helter skelter. When I update, he that guarantee this shit will melt ya, ay.
1/6 HTTP.
Put on for the set, the long wait. Put on for the set, the long wait. Put on for the set, the long wait. Put on for the set, the long wait.
Is he gonna go like a... I was about to say tropical. I don't know. Interesting. It's interesting.
Put on for the set, the long wait. Put on for the set, the strong way. Boss Mob, BMB, RBMG. I represent for my niggas who down with me. Put on for the block, the long way. Put on for the Glock, the strong way. Bust a nigga in his head with the fucking K. Bust a nigga in his head, he gon' die today. Pull up, see that nigga dash, kill that nigga. Fuck that nigga dash, that nigga dash a pussy nigga. Pussy nigga talk about knock me out, you a lame bad nigga, you ain't touch me nigga. I whoop your ass, I knock your ass out. Had to call your partners cause I put them paws on him. And he ain't know I was finna put them paws on him. Tried to hit me out guard when I was talking about they good nails. But I seen that nigga swinging.
So he bending on this shit. Let me get the lyrics up.
All we do is throw them hands. I was raised in Georgia, nigga on the west side of Atlanta, man. Born in Florida, raised in Georgia. Back and forth from Florida to Georgia, that's all I know. MIA, your west side of ATL, little hoe. If you think this shit a joke, then come cool it with me. I teach your ass some real shit. If you vibe with me, everybody tell you about Perp. I'm a young OG. Never been no fake.
Oh, I forgot I was literally trying to search for the lyrics.
All these niggas is frauds. All these niggas is house niggas. Fantasizing about being a gangster. You a fake nigga. Never had to prove that weight until it was time to ride. And when it was time to ride, just know I was down to slide. All y'all niggas is fake as fuck. Y'all niggas.
Yo, he really A-full on this song. And I'm fucking with it. The beat also cold. I gotta give him a full 5.5 to 7 with this shit. This shit good. I wasn't that heavy on it first though. To be honest. The hatred's consuming me though, so I fuck with it. Alright. 5.5 to 7. Nonchalant music. Huh, interesting.
Ay, cut the pussy nigga off, got him looking stupid. Getting money on these pussy niggas, man, I'm foolish. Shitting on my old bitches, man, how you do this? Man, it's purple haze, man, I'm just so foolish. Shout out Big
Purple Haze, no.
He got me feeling foolish. Shitting on these fake niggas, that is how I do it. Man, I run the whole city, man.
You know it's tripping.
If you disrespect my niggas,
hey, yo,
man,
Purple Haze tripping, bro.
These niggas jealous of me. These niggas plotting on me. These niggas scared as fuck. You is not my homie. These niggas hella scary. These niggas got low self-esteem. Man, these niggas mad. I got high self-esteem. Man, I be swagging on your whole damn team. Man, I do not sell my bitch no dream. No, me and my bitch on boss shit got cream. And you know we got the rocks on me. Gold in my teeth, stole gold in my slug. I don't squash beat, but boy you is a bug. You can get squished. See that nigga in person, then that nigga will get mushed. Hey, mush like Bush, presidential like Bush. I be in Dubai, feeling like George Bush. Presidential kush. Shout out to Wiz Khalifa. Catch me in Dubai, chillin' in the Big Khalifa. Hey, shalom to my killers, all my niggas drillers, all my niggas hitters. Shalom to the east, man, I'm still rockin' with you. Man, we some terrorists, man, we some hitters. Yeah, I'm rockin' with you if you want some real shit. I only fuck with you if you want some loyal shit. It's purple fucking haze, and I got a bad bitch, and she love this fucking dick. Man, she came on my dick, she came 10 times, about 2 rounds, and I'm the king. I be dicking my bitch down, put on for the town. Bitch, I run the whole town, I run the whole fucking state. Got money on my plate, I fell in love with money, man, how could you
This last part,
Shout out to that nigga Kodak, he put on for the south side of that FLA. Low mouth slugging, hella mean mugging. Real niggas do real things, stay thugging. Niggas don't gossip, real niggas don't snoop. Real niggas don't pussy out when it's time to do the drill. Real niggas don't pussy out when it's time to do some real. If you ain't about that life, pussy nigga, take out your grill. Cause if you ain't, I'ma take your grill.
Going crazy, I'm hearing it. Especially
Take it to the pawn shop and give me about a pound of money or something, 100 or something. Did it to this money, bitch. You know I love stir.
I'm gonna give him a heart for this. At first, I wasn't too crazy about it, you know. This last half of this shit though, I mean this last part, this shit was cold. Keep on just flowing crazy. So that shit's like 6 for 8 now. Yeah, I wasn't overall the whole song, it was just cool to me. I don't think it compares to the rest of the shit I fucked with, but yeah. Chapo Black Craig. Oh, is this Black Craig?
The real TTK. Stop on there, Taliban on there. God for money, you already know we on there. Yeah, shit boy, shit little sick gang. Little grimy, little hard gang, never about money gang.
Oh, it's 2 different people. Did you not diss Chapo?
Catch up, stop, nigga, stop. I be on that gang shit. On some lame shit. Suck some dick just to get fame. These niggas up like that and I feel real. These niggas be fuck boys. A fuck nigga, you know that I don't need them. I KO bitch, but I gave her back. I was in a trap, leave a nigga handicapped. Don't Chapo keep that strap, he really keep that strap. And everywhere I go, it's shooters where I'm at. Me and burn the whole bar. Money gang, burn squad. Gang, the real TTK. Stop on there, Taliban on there. God for money, you already know we on there. Yeah, shit boy, shit little sick gang. Little grimy, little hard gang, never about money gang, man. Squad. Catch up, nigga. Catch up. Stop, nigga. Stop. I be on that gang shit. On some lame shit. Suck some dick just to get fame. These niggas up like that and I feel real. These niggas be fuck boys. A fuck nigga, you know that I don't need them. I KO bitch, but I gave her back. I was in a trap, leave a nigga handicapped. Don't Chapo keep that strap, he really keep that strap. And everywhere I go, it's shooters where I'm at. Me and my niggas put my hood on the map. Ain't no map.
Blowing on this,
Enough in the city, that's a fact. That's a fact, nigga. You ain't never cook or no crack. Now And you ain't never let them choppers back. I be on that dumb shit. I be so fucked. Nigga, I be thuggin'. Baby, I be drinking. I be lean and I'm sippin'. These niggas be trippin'. I gon' keep it Scotty and go pin. Bitch, I'm trippin'. This loud is so loud, I can't even listen. I'm trippin'. So icy with no tree, bitch, I'm glistening. I'm trippin'. Watch me shine forever. Look, Chapo, it's on clever. I got the streets fucking with me. I got the streets fucking with the kids. Niggas got these right niggas fucking with me. I'm really from the streets though. Niggas got these right niggas fucking with me. Still in the streets. Pussy and my niggas, bitch, I hang with killers. We got gorillas, we got bananas, we got colors.
I heard that.
And everybody really know you
That little bit right there cold.
Nigga, boy, you ain't
I don't know why you dissing me though.
You a pussy, nigga. You ain't got no shooters, boy. You ain't got no shooters. You ain't got no shooters. Right. I feel like Uber, pull up, got my shooters. We'll take your jeweler. We'll rob you for your fake chains, nigga. Don't make us do it. Make us do it.
Who is he?
And they fake chains, and they fake look. Man, I swear it's such a fake game.
War it us, 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 war it us. You niggas are some angels, that shit ain't gon' war it us. You niggas finna burn your fucking head, gon' war it us. Delta Storm, ice stick shit, chop. 10 niggas, I ain't hopping out the dirty chop. And if a snitch left out up in the chair, we chop it up.
Who's this?
Blood chop, blood bang, pipe, chop it up. These niggas somewhere acting like some doing what the fuck. Gorilla panic, I ain't smacking nigga like a slut. That son go to the bush and get a switch, I spank it off. Then make a nigga sit up in the corner, thank it off.
This
Fucking going on, the nigga fell about the head. Why you busy, nigga, hey, your bitch won't give me head. But I don't want
Kinda reminds me of Salsa.
And if a demon step up in the field, we all dead. The real bill, the last fake niggas and I'm dead. Blood on my don't run, stepping on the snake head. Gun eyes and hands, words it is what it is. Rock about baby, night, talking.
Honest, bro. Yo. Chapo's second verse, yeah. His first verse was cold though. Black Crate was good too. Cold beat. I'm gonna say 7 for 9. Yeah. This shit good. This shit good. Possessed part 2. Alright.
Devil into my soul, so all I fucking know is hit this motherfucking piss and kill your kids. Kill the world, kill everybody, I don't give a fuck. I just wanna murk you niggas, I don't give a fuck. And the devil in my soul, so I don't give a fuck. If you disrespect me, I'ma wet you up. That's real nigga shit. Get the pistol on my motherfucking head. Let that shit blow, and blow that shit right at your face. I don't give a fuck, I murk a nigga every day. Devil in my soul, and I'm feeling like I'm talking that cake. Slide through in that photo, come through in the all black Volvo, yeah. Hopping out with a black ski mask, and I commit crimes every single time when I'm on the gangsta shit. Bloody ass young nigga like me love committing the murder shit. Already know I love being on that murder shit. Devil in my soul, so you know I feel like murder. Devil in my soul, so you know I feel like murder.
Devil in my
So I
soul.
feel like murder.
So I feel like murdering. That's why you say nothing?
The devil in my soul, the demons in my soul, the demons on my flesh, you can see it in my face. Straight taking my soul. Hypnotized, possessed. I come through with the fucking bulletproof vest. Aim it at your chest with the motherfucking M16. Let this shit spray. Man, yes, you die today. Man, kill this pussy nigga. Man, blow
Shit,
his
he's
brains
present.
out. I don't give a fuck. I kill him and this whole gang. Kill this whole gang and this whole crew and take his clout. If I I see that bitch, I'm a motherfucking killer hoe. Open
This shit some evil shit.
pistol in her pussy, then blow her stomach, bitch, but bitch, I don't fuck with you. All y'all niggas lame as
This shit,
fuck,
bro.
fuck with me, you done too. If this
9
nigga
for
try
11, yeah,
me
this shit
again,
good.
he gon' die too. Put the 12 gauge to his motherfucking nose and blow the shit out his motherfucking head and have blood on his clothes. Infrared died on the shirt and stain him up, and I don't give a fuck, man, the devil in my soul.
Yup, this shit 9 for 11. Easy. Who this? This shit 9 for 11, bruh. Favorite song, Big Time of 2K16. It's gliding on that beat. Can I praise the beat too for this? Beat was also hard. Beat not as good as how he was flowing on that shit though, I'm gonna keep honest. But yeah. This shit doesn't really sound like anything though. Like, bro. This is a good tape though. 9 for 11, good ratios. This is a good tape overall. I fuck with this.
Confident fought to get him a race. Let's go. But you already know that my nigga, they ready to spaz. Heard that in the day, yeah. Heard it throw best in their face.